Manka da mansini. Oya no okay here ne yodudu. Oya no okay here yodudu. President John Nkansah Mills was the first one who may have passed on as a certain president of Ghana, and he may not be the last. Now one chant, no Chinebiara, if any other president passes on, no, it's bare politics. We are not worried. We are angry. We are angry that was your politics. More young there. This president, President John Nkansah Mills, may he rest in peace. Let me explain, baby. When you may be for, I won't call president when you may be for. Quick, you do when you may be seeing.
Gossip TV esu enie abusafo ye ko social media no so na fe ye de ehon ensem e de abre mo na ye ko NDC for aseye former president His Excellency John Atta Mills Fifi Mills ono na ene ne honsem ababeto etwa na ye Atta Mills His Excellency former president as he say we the late we late yakopon emfa ne kra ensie eye ono ena chese niwia eye panyi edi nsebi ababetu edwase Autopsy abokoko ye efa ne brother eguo no hono report ni nyina no eba abontene na omo no de omo abusuafo de omo nimdie okun omo enua bema no na papa no ekasa no utumu se yawo ena afisu aweho ena ode ekasa na o se after so Autopsy no eba ye bepie mu ewo abusuafo na aso ye omo ready ye ehu de ewo mu nyina no omo de to kwaku ayi do ho a ono no oben eye John Fifi Atta Mills eye pa Michelle the late Fifi Atta Mills eye pa omo de Autopsy no e de kire no e kire ne de ewo mu nyina nanso omo de aye politics ama enokre yes e ba abontim no omo ntumi amfa nokre no amma metu igwa na ni nyina mu no si eto oman mu na se empokra no se bibia ne ye de be politics na nokre yesi ye kana omanfo no wote oman no mu no ehu nokre no na se yesi ye nka bia ene na ato agiye ya abusafo ye papa yi former president John Fifi Atta Mills niwia panyi akasa bebree e de afa Autopsy na ebaye no ho na afa so watoto bi e de amane John Dramani Mahama former president e de Ghana say omo nyina no omo ho bo bi nanso politics ntino omakomo ano ade atum ewo sasem na emom abusafo ne omo di ho ya wenam so omo ni obi a obeka bi amom ntino omo di ho ya nanso eye danya njenje bia no ewo na fe no kre wom bia no ebeba ba bedadi abusafo yenkotie former president the late former president John Fifi Atta Mills and niwia panyino and some of them to ga efa Autopsy no bi ebra
Martin there he passed on. Now, at the hospital, within a few days, were your autopsy. I was there for the autopsy. Now, when there, Professor John Nkansah Mills was the president, a certain president. Sebi, into that koko. He had to be buried. No, they couldn't see him. Near Pede, make sure they be wako pepepe. Part of the reason why I was there for the autopsy in there wasn't the body was called 37 military hospital. I had custody of his body. Until I was there, I had to go and identify him there. My brother, 1 year autopsy. There were 2 professors. And that were by autopsy, okay, General Confo. Imagine ha. Let's say itchashwe. And that there, as you say, the itchashwe, yamaudo. And the business in the autopsy. We had to give a copy of the autopsy report to AMA Intimacy will be our, especially a certain president when you death certificate. Because in you there or be conspiracy theorists to the Kokwa in the home, wababa. Until we were issued a death certificate, they set up a burial committee. Until with the death certificate, with the autopsy report, then we obtained a burial certificate. And some of the case was some back. Kokwa in the home was the whole movie. There was a report. 137 military hospital. 37 military hospital. Atta knows when you own na. Nya omanazana. It's on your omana report no. Go to 37 military hospital. Not gonna catch on a copy of the report. I don't know who in particular have to go and ask. So why are you calling for? Well, Kwadwo do ho onye President Mahama onye Nkansah. Now he's coming up with all kinds of theories. No, but that's from J Park one, or the President Mahama Horoba. Our Kwadwo do ho right now, Lucy as a Deputy General Secretary to NDC. You switch to NPP. And so he's just being a stomach politician that we're using. 2021. Here's Sister Penyin, firstborn. Papa na mami who firstborn. Ofim. Kwadwo Ebeyina say you came to spend 3 days. You came there in leading a delegation, NPP delegation. Mawobobon Sawa in the name of President Adudankwa Akufo-Addo and the NPP. We, the Atta family members, rejected it. So the Kamo be one champ. No BJNS or be man receipt on I don't know. By Nkansah, Amy and my sister and your brothers, we rejected it.
Would you suggest that this autopsy report will have is being used by NPP?
Maybe so, Assam. Autopsy reporting say if Amy and my autopsy report. Ms. autopsy report, Ms. Eba, Wabakacha me there or a fake one, near the on your official one. If it's man over question, Neha. Am I the one to give them autopsy report? Now, autopsy reporting say in the unlikeliest either so Ubi or the autopsy report Abba, will he bring my dead brother back? Will he bring him back? I will cook with 13-year-old daughter. Oh, we. About them published the autopsy report in him, there will be no kuna another or of natural death. Che, our friend then Honorable JB Dankwa Edu, JB Dankwa, a sitting member of parliament, was murdered at his house. On your MPP, for one kada waba, they will come and investigate and find out what happened. And I will publish an autopsy report. Ebansine ye de me. If it's more by the president to be a sure, Mankada Mansini. Oh, you know what care here in your do. Oh, yeah, know what care here in your do. President John Nkansah Mills was the first one who may have passed on as a certain president of Ghana, and he may not be the last. Now, one chant, no Chinebiara, if any other president passes on, no, it's bare politics. We are not worried. We are angry. We are angry that was your politics. More young there. This president, President John Nkansah Mills, may he rest in peace. Let me explain, baby. When you may be for, I won't call president when you may be for. Quickly, do when you may be seeing. I want to walk away now. What purport to be able to for when you be for. We're imposters. To that marker, imposters. Quickly, do my brother for na ye juma as a man. A banting now autopsy report. It actually chill when you are. Why? And now, Koku Jama, it will be a catcher. In Bokron Queen brother Yana. Eba Sama. In your bussy. Obia for na ye juma man. In a juma bear 4 to 6 years. Now you won't try. Why? menaba mejaba only Professor John Evans Atta Mills. Onar kwekuna Nkansah owan. He knows very well. There, you were honing in a many my brother said, ba presidency wa ever been namin no ko. Ye to Kwan Ghana ha a baby a breaching as in your ever been naming on the echo. Is the two of us. Na kwaku met na ho mobi wa ba na obokum brother. Met na ho mobi wa ba obokum brother. Kwaku said there was no autopsy report. Yankopon fa na kransie. Na yankopon on hwe no do. Na wo kwaku anyi do. You damn well know that I was there for the autopsy. In your busu yenyi. Into my kwakaji autopsy na mezebra wa na. You were not there. In some of our radio doing the TV dog Kenya now. Oh, you hear say he wasn't there. I was there with my brother.
The honest truth is that he believes that who choose a running mate, it's more or less like a partner that you are choosing. Senator Dr. Ankra to complement where you think you are weak.
Yeah.
And to also give you the support when you are low in terms of morale, in terms of encouragement, in terms of the confidence. Now, there will be moments of pain, there will be moments of joy. There will be moments where going forward becomes perilous. Flinching back is an act of cowardice, and standing still becomes suicidal. Maybe do a koko wenimono. Na ya dia edin. Okasa okọ wachi so a na wakoye hufo. Ujina baby ujina na so dia na kwa it is slow motion is better than no motion.
Whoa.
Inti, I think the man is not under pressure, that I can say, and Dr. Bawumia cannot be pressured. Sometimes, he believes that let's keep our eye more on the ball, which is the December elections. And indeed, now you're making sure, say, after the extensive consultation, the flag bearer in consultation with the National Council, okay, I have no doubt in my mind that Dr. Bawumia will make the best of decisions and the best of choices. He knows where his strengths are. He knows where his weaknesses are. He knows to say it's an election ayeko. And the election in December 2024, and yes, similar to election of a pope.
Monko conclave.
Monko conclave. To say ubia shene de monkwa. Then we are ubia no nyankopon de abeto ne koma so no. Na white chimney be apie. You are electing a politician, or now you are selecting somebody you believe will say, or no so can take an arm of the campaign. Na ye na ya spread ye across the country to make sure say we deliver. Inti nana ye nu anamo man so na abeka bi no ye sure so no so papa no so di bi beton sen but he will definitely choose a human being, whether a male or a female.
Papa
domestication. He will definitely choose a human being. I believe he also will choose somebody who will help him also re-energize the base, galvanize more support within and outside the party. If the mantle falls on a woman, so be it. If the mantle falls on a man, so be it. But whoever he will choose, I have no doubt in my mind that this will be after deep consultation. But I can confidently tell you that he has begun extensive consultation. Otie from Otie Nananom, Otie Asofo, Otie Imam for, Otie politicians, Otie people within the party, and also Otie people outside the party, to make sure say, the decision he comes to will be a decision that Onwano can say Osabo home payen. Because before he started this journey, he had to do similar consultation. Dr. Bawumia engaged chiefs and some of gave inform. He engaged the party structures from national officers to council of elders to men of God to faith-based organization leaders and across.
Okay.
And as we speak now, no, he's begun another consultation. And when he is ready, and I don't know why people are also putting pressure. So and so naming in January, so naming in February. I can tell you that he won't name a running mate in January.
He won't.
He won't name a running mate in January.
February.
But February, or no year, so yeah, he's going to speak to the nation within the first 10 days of February. And
Jose.
Dr. Baumia will speak to the nation because I will catch him say, yeah, to Abamano or
I may say me person me bisa on what's how the train member Jose here. Says here and Sakara who sembia a free Navrongo Eba and it's former defense minister Mark Owen Oyongo. It's no more Nabusia and the Kata Epijanti. I rehearse some Yansa Aka no Yama Honorable Mark Owen Oyongo Nabusia Nabusia Fonina Shed. I mean, but something on a more serious note, a free the Wakika way primaries I say, way the I say, serious Nankazanga I'm over to him this year. Na so the last week you could be running last week na share kuku ase. A man for someone would buy a business and Dr. Baumia away. It be say free say papa yeah MPP for to aba e ma no wie obi ante ne nka biom. To aba na no am declare no a ogina ho man acceptance speech no ano no. Dr. Baumia wo hu so akọ region wo hu so nam constituency ha. Yes wo hu no. Adan wanu ne ho so omo the position no man no na ade no enema for say over no enti say wo hu ba bi onfa Dr. Baumia way. Nanaya Okase he's going about his normal duties. One, still as a sitting vice president, and number two, he's also been spending time engaging